Welcome to Academic Guru's Tutoring Tuesday, where we answer all of your high school, college, and university questions. If you would like your question to be featured on next week's Tutoring Tuesday, please submit your questions to questions@academicgurusinc.com. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay current with all of our new videos.
Alright, so in this video we're going to tackle another derivative problem. This one's a bit more complicated than the previous example. So in this problem we have to use the product rule in conjunction with the chain rule. So it says find the derivative of f of x equals x to the fourth power times 5x minus 1 cubed. Alright, so let's see, we have y prime equals, so let's use the product rule first. So the derivative of x to the fourth power is just going to be 4x cubed. Then I'm not going to touch the second part, so I'm just going to have 5x minus 1 cubed plus, now I'm not going to touch the first part, so I'm just going to have x to the fourth. Then I have to take the derivative of the second part, and this is where the chain rule kicks in. So 5x minus 1 cubed, have to use the chain rule, and then we have to take the derivative. So I'm going to take the derivative of the power first. So I'm going to have 3 times 5x minus 1. Then I'm going to drop the power by 1, so I'm going to have 5x minus 1 squared. Then I'm going to take the derivative of whatever I have inside the parentheses. So 5x minus 1, derivative of 5x is just going to be 5, derivative of 1 is 0. So I only need 5. So let's see here, maybe we can simplify this a bit more. So we have y prime equals, there's nothing I can really do for the first part, so I'm just going to have 4x cubed times 5x minus 1 cubed plus, let's see here, I have a 3, I have a 5, I have x to the fourth power hanging out here. So let's combine everything together. So I have 3 and 5, 3 times 5, I'm going to have 15. Then let's attach x to the fourth power next to it. And then I have 5x minus 1 squared. So let's see here, I have 4 and 15. I can't really factor anything here. But I also have 5x minus 1 repeating twice, so that's something I can factor. I can also factor in an x, so between x cubed and x to the fourth power, let's see, I'm going to factor out an x squared, so x squared, and then between 5x minus 1, and then between 5x minus 1 cubed and between 5x minus 1 squared, I'm just going to factor out a 5x minus 1 squared. So I'm going to have y prime, always remember to write this, so we have times 5x minus 1 squared. Then I have 4x cubed here, so I only need a 4x, so x squared times 4x is going to give me 4x cubed. And for 5x minus 1 cubed, I have 5x minus 1 squared here, so I need one more 5x minus 1. So it's going to be 4x times 5x minus 1. Alright? Because if you distribute this part into 4x times 5x minus 1, you're going to get your first term. So for the second term, let's see, we have 15x to the fourth power times 5x minus 1 squared. So plus, I need 15, and then since this is x to the fourth power, I need 15x squared, and that's pretty much it. Now let's see, maybe we can simplify here a bit more. So y prime equals x squared times 5x minus 1 squared times, let's see here, 4x times 5x, I'm going to get 20x squared, and then 4x times negative 1, I'm just going to get negative 4x. Then I'm going to have plus 15x squared. So let's see, I can add 20 and 15, so wow, this is a long one. So x squared times 5x minus 1 squared times 20x squared plus 15x squared, that's going to give me 35x squared minus 4x. So let's see, there's nothing I can really do here, so this is going to be my final derivative. So again, nothing too hard here. You just have to remember to simplify, and this is one example where you have to use two different derivative rules in one problem. So there you have it.
Thank you for tuning into our Tutoring Tuesday channel. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. We would love to hear from you. Until next week's Tutoring Tuesday, happy studying.